In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to handle unmatched transactions in QuickBooks Online reconciliation. When you're reconciling your bank account in QuickBooks Online, you'll often see transactions that don't automatically match anything in your books. These are called unmatched transactions. Handling them correctly is really important because it helps keep your financial records accurate and ensures your bank balance in QuickBooks lines up with your real-life bank balance. Let's walk through exactly what to do, step by step, and I'll explain what each part means as we go, so you feel confident doing this on your own. First, go to the main navigation in QuickBooks Online and click on Transactions. Under that, choose Bank Transactions. This is where QuickBooks shows you everything that has been downloaded from your bank feed. Think of this page as the inbox for your bank activity. At the top of this section, make sure you're on the For Review tab. The For Review tab is where new or unmatched transactions appear before they're added to your books. If a transaction is sitting here, it means QuickBooks needs you to tell it what to do with that item. Now look through the list and select the transaction you want to handle. Click on the specific transaction line to expand it. When it opens up, you'll see more detail, like the date, amount, and description coming from your bank. Next, you'll want to enter a payee. The payee is the person or business you paid or the customer who paid you. Assigning a payee is helpful for reporting and for understanding who your money is going to or coming from. If it's a transfer between your own accounts, you might leave the payee blank or use something that makes sense for your internal tracking, following your accountant's guidance. After that, choose the category. The category tells QuickBooks which account in your chart of accounts this transaction belongs to, such as an expense category like utilities or office supplies, or an income category like sales. Taking a moment to pick the right category now will save you a lot of cleanup later and make your financial reports far more useful. Once you've entered the payee and category, you have two options. If this is a brand new transaction that doesn't exist anywhere else in QuickBooks, click Add. This will create the transaction in your books using the information from the bank. If you suspect the transaction is already recorded in QuickBooks, maybe as an invoice payment, a check, or an expense, click Find Match instead. QuickBooks will search for existing records that match the amount and date. If you see the correct one, select it so the bank transaction links to that record. This prevents duplicates and keeps everything tidy. That's all there is to handling unmatched transactions. Review them, add the payee and category, and then either add them as new or match them to what's already in your books. With a bit of practice, this will become a quick and routine part of your reconciliation process.